Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is HinKeL, and first of all, I want to apologize for the late upload. But rest assured that the next videos are going to be released earlier again. So for today's episode, I want to talk a little bit about Dirty Bomb. After 23 hours on Steam, I said to myself, why not share my thoughts about this game? So, what is Dirty Bomb? At first glance it might seem like the usual shooter game, a bit of a clone of Team Fortress and Brink. But there's more to it. More about that later, because it's always best to start with the basics. Dirty Bomb is a free-to-play team-based shooter, meaning different classes are better at different tasks. It has been developed by Splash Damage and published by Nexon in June 2015. The game is still open beta though. You can download the game on Steam for free, and for 28 euros you can buy the Ultimate Starter Pack, which includes 5 full-time mercs, 50,000 in-game credits and 2 elite loadout cases. So, speaking of all those mercs, credits, loadout cases and full-time characters, what does that all mean? The game has some sort of mobile-like character selection, also called mercs. These mercs have different classes like medics, support, objective-focused characters, snipers and tanks. At the start, you only have 3 mercs that you can always choose from, and 3 others that are on a monthly rotation. This allows you to try out new mercs for free. To acquire new mercs, you need to earn enough in-game credits, with the most expensive one being 50,000 credits. But if earning credits goes too slow for you, you can buy them for real-life money too. The same goes for your loadout cards. These loadout cards determine which perks and weapons you can take with you into battle. Loadouts can't be switched during matches though. I can hear you guys already moaning about unfair advantages and pay to win. But here comes the best part about Dirty Bomb. Loadouts actually don't make a game-breaking difference. If you're at least a little bit skilled, you can outmatch players spotting rare cards with your starter loadout. Buying characters and loadouts with real money doesn't give you an edge over other players, it only speeds up the acquisition. New loadouts can also be acquired via loadout boxes or the in-game store, though buying those boxes is a real waste of money to be honest. Moving on to the classes. The medic obviously is responsible for keeping his teammates alive. They typically wield SMGs or shotguns and use med packs or health stations to heal others. Reviving is essential for being a good medic. The support class gives out ammunition and usually wields some kind of support weapon like airstrikes, artillery strikes or even an orbital laser. They use assault rifles to take out their targets. The objective-focused class uses SMGs or shotguns too, but their main reason of existence is arming or defusing bombs, or repairing stuff. They are good at it, so they can do this a lot faster than the other classes. Then we have the snipers. They take out their enemies with sniper rifles and aid their team by spotting enemies with their heartbeat sensor. Tanks use heavy weapons like a machine gun or a shotgun. One character even has a Gatling gun. They are slow but real bullet sponges. Currently the game has only 3 game modes: Objective, Stopwatch and Execution. Objective is the classic one, with 1 attacking and 1 defending team. The match ends after 1 team successfully completed their task. Stopwatch is similar, but here only the team which completed the objectives the fastest wins the match. So there are at least 2 rounds that have to be played to determine a winner. Execution is a newer game mode and it's a bit Counter-Strike-esque. Here, 1 team has to plant a bomb and the other team has to stop them from doing so. There are no respawns in this game mode. So how does the game play? It is fast-paced, movement speed is high, there's parkour in the game and weapon accuracy isn't much affected by movement or aiming down sights. This seems a bit reminiscent to older games where ADS didn't exist. The visuals of the game are very modern and the developers even stated that the game takes place in a modern post-apocalyptic London. The colors are very strong and bright and make the game look a bit like a cel shading game, which isn't even bad to be honest. It fits the game very well and is a welcome distraction from all those serious games. Well, that's about it for Dirty Bomb. There's a lot more to it, but I'll let you discover that on your own. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, check out those other links. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment.